Has your Instagram account been suspended? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact, step-by-step method to recover your suspended account using the latest 2026 updates. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app or go to instagram.com on your browser. The process is exactly the same for mobile and desktop. Try logging into your suspended account. If you're lucky, you'll see an appeal button right on your screen. If it's there, tap it immediately, fill out your details, and submit it. That is your quickest option. Open a mobile browser, search for Instagram Help Center, and click the official link. Search for Suspended Instagram Account. Scroll down to the bottom of the article to the Was This Helpful section. Click No and select Describe your problem into the text box along with the account username. We are going to use a second method, contacting them via the Play Store. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and click on the app listing. Scroll down and expand the App Support dropdown. Click on the support email address to automatically open your email app. Paste the formal AI-generated request, fill in your personal details, name, username, phone, and attach a screenshot of the account suspended error message before sending. Support usually responds within a week. And that is the complete Instagram account recovery method for 2026.